Ever wondered how Pakistan's journey in the Olympics came to an end? In the next few seconds, you'll learn what we achieved from it. Arshad Nadeem, a name to remember. He is the reigning Olympic champion in men's javelin throw. His incredible throw of 92.97 meters set an Olympic record. And guess what? He did this with limited resources and training. Against all odds, he put Pakistan on the global sporting map. But his journey finishes at the Olympics, igniting hope for the future. His success inspires the next generation of athletes. It's more than just a medal, it's a story of determination and resilience. Who knows what heights our athletes will reach next? Like what you see? Subscribe for more. Hit the like button if you found this useful.